Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very simple, very delicious egg fried rice. And I'm going to need it's about half a bowl right here. I'm going to need 2 eggs. Just crack the egg right into the rice. Well, I'm going to use 3, so 3 eggs. Alright, just mix it up. I'm going to use a pouch of this ingredient from the noodle right here. So just use the ingredient from the noodle. Just 1 pouch of that. Alright. And has some ground up pepper too. I'm going to put it all in there. Mix it all up. Just to flavor up the fried rice with that the noodle ingredients. Mix it all up really good. And to go with the fried rice, I'm gonna add some vegetable. So I have some green beans right here. I'm gonna chop it up, already washed. Some green onions, some yellow and red pepper right here, small one just for color, and 1 carrot. So I'm gonna chop all that up. For the green onion, I'm going to chop up the white part first, and I'm going to use that first, and then this I'm going to chop up later. Right, just chop it to small pieces. Okay, I'm going to dice this up to small pieces. Okay. For the small pepper right here, just take out, make sure to take out all the seed, and just dice it up to small pieces. This is a sweet pepper. I didn't have the bell pepper, so just use this. So anytime you have leftover rice, just you know, so I have leftover rice here, so you know what else to do, just do fried rice, get rid of it. Okay, let's start cooking. Well, put about a teaspoon of oil. Make sure the pan is really hot, and then this part go in first, the green onion, the white part. So put that in. Cook it for about 20 seconds or so, just to bring out the flavor. Now put in the carrots, the green beans, cook another 20 to 30 seconds. Now put the rice in. See, the rice already mixed up with the eggs, already ready to go. Just cook it for 2-3 minutes until the eggs will really cook. You don't want to eat raw eggs. This is a really easy recipe, and it's a way to get rid of your old rice. You know, you can't finish when you cook rice. You can't finish it. So you know, just get rid of the old rice this way. Very easy to make. And now put in the pepper, the yellow and the red pepper. I already chop up. Now put in the other end of the green onions. All right, put that in. Remember, I already put a pouch of that the ingredient from the noodle, and just taste it a little bit. Let's see what else you need. That pouch has a lot of sodium in it, so taste it first before you put any more salt in there. Can use a little bit of soy sauce. I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit to medium. Just put half a teaspoon of soy sauce or so. A little bit of black soy sauce for sweetness, to bring out the sweetness a little bit. Just a little bit, tiny bit, not too much. Half a teaspoon. You don't need more than that, just to bring out that flavor. Add the sweetness to it. Okay, I think it's done. And just plate it up. This is the final products, egg fried rice, and let's plate this up. You can see. Right there, it's egg fried rice, and it's easy to do. It's very delicious. So thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Give a taste. Let's see how you like it. Come to the thing and give your opinion. Give your opinion. I got a 1 thumbs up.